In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Google Photos in the background. Backing up your photos and videos is essential in today's digital age. Google Photos provides a seamless way to do this. Let's start with Android devices, which generally allow backups to continue in the background. This feature is incredibly useful because it ensures that your memories are safely stored without the need for constant manual intervention. First, open the Google Photos app on your Android device. You'll notice a clean and user-friendly interface. The app displays your photos and videos, making it easy to navigate. This is a crucial step as accessing the app is the gateway to managing your backups. Once you have the app open, take a moment to observe how neatly your media is organized. This not only helps in finding your pictures, but also reassures you that everything is in one place, ready for backup. Next, tap your profile picture located in the upper right corner of the screen. This icon is your personal gateway to account settings and options tailored just for you. By tapping this, you gain access to essential features that allow you to customize your Google Photos experience. This step matters because it sets the stage for the upcoming backup settings. You want to ensure everything is configured correctly for a smooth backup process, so take your time here. Now tap on Photos Settings, then select Backup. This section houses all the options related to your backup preferences. Here you can see various settings that dictate how your photos and videos are backed up. It's important to pay attention to these settings as they will determine when and how your media is uploaded. Proper configuration ensures that your backups occur without interruption, giving you peace of mind knowing your memories are safe. Turn backup on. This is a pivotal action. By enabling this feature, you are instructing Google Photos to upload your media automatically. Once activated, Google Photos will begin to work in the background, so you don't have to worry about manually backing up each time you take a photo. This little step saves you a lot of time later, as it automates the entire process and ensures that your content is always up to date. After that, allow the app to run in the background and disable battery restrictions for Google Photos if needed. Depending on your device settings, the app may face limitations on how it operates in the background. Disabling these restrictions is essential, as it ensures that your backups continue uninterrupted. This step may seem minor, but it plays an important role in maintaining the reliability of your backups. You want to avoid any hiccups, especially when dealing with large uploads. With that done, Google Photos will automatically back up your photos and videos while your device is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, depending on your backup settings. This flexibility is fantastic because it allows you to choose how and when your backups occur. If you prefer Wi-Fi to save on data, you can set it accordingly. Being connected during this process is crucial as it guarantees that your media is uploaded efficiently and without delays. Next, keep your device connected to Wi-Fi and, if possible, charging during large backups. Large uploads can drain your battery quickly and consume significant data. By keeping your device plugged in, you ensure that the backup process doesn't stall due to low battery. This precaution is vital, especially when you are uploading a large number of photos or videos. Finally, check your backup status by opening Google Photos and looking at the status at the top of the app. This provides you with real-time information on your backup progress. Knowing the status of your backups gives you reassurance that your photos and videos are being safely stored. You can enjoy peace of mind as you continue to capture and create new memories, knowing that your previous ones are securely backed up.